What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I did some Ibotta deals from Family Dollar, and I know y'all like, how'd you do that? Cause Ibotta, Family Dollar is not a store on Ibotta. Well, yeah, it is secretly, and I'm about to show y'all how. And I'm gonna show y'all some other deals that I put together from some coupons I had with Family Dollar. So this video is gonna be jam packed, full of deals, full of steals that you can do yourself. Yes, if y'all got a Family Dollar nearby. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, thank y'all for being loyal and returning. And y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all. I was telling y'all about Ibotta. So what you want to do is go to Ibotta, and in the search thing at the top of the screen, punch in any grocery store. When you punch in any grocery store, you're going to go through there and click off items that are in the Family Dollar that has coupons with them. So once you do that, you are going to get your Family Dollar receipt back and scan it in your Ibotta app and get money back for those purchases. And they work with coupons. So like if I buy something in Family Dollar that has a coupon attached to it, I still can scan that receipt and get money back for it in the Ibotta app. Just that simple. So let me show y'all some items I got from Family Dollar and got money back on Ibotta from. Okay, this was the first transaction that I did at Family Dollar. We're going to start off with the Scott toilet paper. I picked up the 12 family rolls, and then the 12 equals 48. That's because we have a buy two, save $2, and it attached to both of these. And on Ibotta, they are giving money back for the 12 equals 48. Only one pack though, so that's why I didn't get two of those. I got a cheaper one and a expensive one. So the 12 rolls was 5 with $1 off, making it 4. And the 12 equals 48 was 9.50, and $1 came off from the Family Dollar coupon, making it $8.50. Then on Ibotta, I got back an extra $1.50, making the final price for these toilet paper, this toilet paper, $7, y'all. Moving on to the men's Dow, it's the 32 ounce. It was $7.95. We have a $2.75 coupon in Family Dollar, making it $5.20. Then on Ibotta, they gave me back an extra $2.75, making this body wash just $2.45. Not bad at all. OxyClean was $10.25. We have Family Dollar $4 digital, making it $6.25. Then on Ibotta, they are giving you an extra $4, making this only $2.25. Then on the all, it is the 19 count. It was $5.30. We have a $2 digital coming off, making it $3.30. And on Ibotta, they are giving you back $2, making this just $1.30. Then for the Arm& and Hammer, it was $11. We have a $4 Family Dollar digital coming off, making it 7. Then on Ibotta, they are giving you back $4, making it just $3, y'all, for this thing of detergent. $3. So in store, after the coupons came off for these items, I was paying like $24.25. On Ibotta, I got back $14.25, making everything you see, y'all, just $10. $10 holla. Yes, y'all. When I found out this news, I was like, oh, I gotta try this out. So don't be sleeping on Family Dollar and Ibotta pushing any grocery store and clip those clip whatever you want that's in the Family Dollar that has a coupon so you can save extra on it. So basically it's like you using two coupons for one item, if you want to look at it that way. But these are my Ibotta Family Dollar deals. So let's get into the next transactions I did at Family Dollar. Okay, y'all, here is my second transaction. And this transaction, basically, I had a save $7 on P&G, a P&G item, because Sunday I had did that spend 21 get 7 off your next transaction, and I had that coupon, so I picked up these items. Starting off with the Scott, they were $5 each, totaling $10. We have a buy two save two digital coupon, making them $8 or $4 each. Then on these Tides, and it's the $10.50 Tides. We do have a coupon on them as well. So I was like, oh, I can just get another one and save $7. So the Oxy was 10.50. We have a $2 digital coming off, making it 8.50. And then on the Tide for Breeze, it was 10.50, and my $7 PNG came off on that, making it $3.50. And with that PNG $7 coupon, when you get it back, you only can use it towards PNG items. You can't just pile up a whole lot of stuff and it come off. It will come off if you do have a PNG item, but if you just say, if I just got the Scots and these body armors, no, the $7 wouldn't came off. Only reason why it came off is because I got these PNG items, and if that item has a coupon attached to it, it will not come off as well. You got to make sure it's a PNG item with no coupon attaching. Then I picked up these body armors because we have that $3 coupon on them, making 3 of them just $1. So the total for these items after coupons was $21, making each item $3 each. So, I mean, even though these body armors, all 3 of them was $1, I mean, still, I can't complain because I'm getting 2 ties and some toilet paper for $3 each. So, I would say it's a pretty good deal. So let's jump into the next fire deal I got at Family Dollar. And if you stay tuned this long, thank y'all. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction. And I forgot to tell y'all, on that first transaction I did with Ibotta, I was using a 10 off a $20 coupon for Family Dollar as well. Because those 10 off of 20 coupons are good until the 27th of December. So I didn't use all of mine on Saturday. So I went back today and did that Ibotta deal on using the 10 off for 20 as well. But let's get into this transaction. This is I'm using 7 off for PNG items, and as you can see, all of these are PNG items. And the Gain and the Downy has coupons, but the Bounty doesn't, because it's the highest thing I got. It was $12. That $7 came off, making it $5.50. The Gain dryer sheets was $8.20. We have a $2 digital coming off, making them $6.20. And then the Downy was $12. We have a $2 coming off, making it $10. So the total after my coupons came off was $21.70, making each item $7.23. Not bad at all, y'all, because these was 12, those was 8, and the Downy was 12. So if I can pay 7 a piece for each of these items and some change, I'm cool with that. But let me show y'all the last Family Dollar transaction, and then we are going to end this video. I know I hate to leave y'all. I wish I could sit here and show y'all deals all day long, but I can't. But long as I gave y'all something for the day, it makes me happy. So let me show y'all my last transaction, and then we are going to end this video. Okay, y'all, this is my last deal. Then at the end of the video, I got some extra deals to let y'all know about. But this tab was $21.75. I was working with a 10 off a $20 coupon for this transaction, so I got this tab for $11.75. Now the last deals that I wanted y'all to know about, they got more deals. Is the Betty Crocker is buy one get one free, so you can get the cake mix icing, buy one get one free, 2 cake mixes, 2 icings, whatever the case may be. The Swanson's broth is 2 for $4. They got the Campbell's cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, 2 for $4. Bruce's sweet potatoes is 2 for $4. Glory greens are 2 for $4. Jiffy cornbread mix is 2 for $1. Then they got the Good Cook bakeware, buy one get one 50% off. Rubbermaid take-alongs is buy one get one 50% off. They got the Sparkle 2 equals 4 towel paper, $2.75. They also have Hanes underwear, socks, t-shirts, buy one get one 50% off, which is outstanding to me is how high they are. Then some more food items. They got the Breyers ice cream, buy one get one free. The Edwards pies, buy one get one 50% off. Then they got the Martinellis cider, sparkling cider, buy one get one 50% off. And Redburn pizzas, buy one get one 50% off. So those are just some more deals they got at Family Dollar that y'all can tap into. And that is the end of the video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.